Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a pierogi. We're doing cheese pierogies today, and the recipe is an old family recipe from Auntie Rose. So here's what we got. This is the cheese filling we just made. We have some dough circles that we made. We made the dough yesterday. It needs to sit overnight in the fridge, and we cut them out using a cup, nice and simple. So to make the filling, or to make the pierogi, you take a spoonful of filling, you push it on. You want to get that right in the center. And then from there, you're going to get a little bit of water. These are just plain tap water, and you're going to wet the edges. And then comes the famous pinchy part, which is our favorite part of pierogi day. And we always have lots of hands for pinching in a normal year. And we're just going to pinch closed all the way around the edge. I folded it in half, and now I'm just doing pinchy all the way around and sealing this up. So when it gets boiled later, that all that yummy filling stays inside. So there we go. And we have a cheese pierogi right there. And now it's just going to go on a tray, and the tray is right over here. And we're going to put them all on the tray. We'll line them up, and those are going to get frozen tonight. And then when we're ready to cook them, we will boil them and then pan fry them to get a little crust on them. So that's how we make our pierogies. Enjoy. So there's one way to do the pinchy for pierogies that I wanted to show you. So a simple pierogi pinching, you just would go across the edges. But there's another way you can do this, which is even fancier. And it's sort of like how you would pinch for pie crust. So let me zoom in down here. So what you would do is you're going to actually pleat it like you do in pie crust. So you're going to push it between your fingers, and you're going to squeeze as you go and go through that. And that'll give you these beautiful little ruffles, and it looks extra super fancy. So I did a whole tray just doing that fancier pinching. Now the test is going to be once they get boiled, if that holds tight or if they burst open. So we'll have to wait and see once we cook them. Thanks.